What's up guys, my name is Federico and today I'll take you to the Aral Sea. How many kilometers to get to Nukus?
150, 140 kilometers.
140?
Yeah, 140 is 150 kilometers.
Alright. On my left hand side, less than 10 kilometers, it's like the Turkmenistan border, which it's kind of complicated to get the visa.
Welcome to Karagal, Pakistan.
Now we are traveling on the northwest corner of the country to experience one of the worst ecological disasters on Earth, the Aral Sea. In Nukus, we switched car and boarded a 4x4 with two other people from Italy. When we are changing car, we're moving on 4x4. We drove till Mainok for lunch. Mainok is the last checkpoint before entering into the Aral Sea desert. The Aral Sea was one of the largest inland sea on Earth. Now it's turning into a giant desert full of rusting ships. We are at the Aral Sea, one of the most controversial and unique places on Earth. This is the shipwreck spot, and there are like about 10 ships. It's literally a graveyard of ships. And now we're gonna move to the museum, which is up there. It was a long journey to get here. It takes like about 7 hours. I think we're gonna carry on our tour to visit other place than used to be in the water. You think about like around 70 years ago, this place, it was underwater, and now it's completely gone. Completely gone. The only thing that is left is those ships. It turned into like a touristic area. Well, in the past it used to be a very interesting place. People could swim, could have fun. The fishermen, they were here to fishing, and now not anymore. Gone, completely gone. So everything started from US when it was trade with Europe, cotton, and eventually when the civil war in US started, the trade stops. So Russian take over the business and start to grow cotton in this area and diverted two rivers to, you know, irrigate the cotton. Eventually for like 20 years the situation around here was pretty good. The business was going very well, but the calculation that they made was wrong, because these two rivers, they kind of dries up the sea, and little by little the water shrink down, and fish start to die because the salt was too strong. So people start to move away because the job they had, which was fishing, was completely gone. And around the 50, they kind of figured it out, and then it was gone. They couldn't do much, although they could stop to trade the cotton and maybe found a solution. They became a little bit greedy and they carry on. Eventually the situation in the 16 and 70, it got even worse than that. The irrigation kind of not sustainable anymore, and the pesticide then they used at that time, they were actually polluted the water, and in 1984 this business was completely over. Now the situation is devastated. This place where, you know, is supposed to be underwater now is completely gone. However, welcome to the Aral Sea, or what is left of the Aral Sea. And after the graveyard ship, we're gonna head into the edge of the Aral Sea, where we're gonna spend the night in a yurta. It took us like 11 hours, but finally we reached what is left of the Aral Sea. Such a peaceful moment, far away from everything and everyone. Kind of enjoy the Aral Sea vibe. Impression is a little bit weird because from the distance the sea looks quite clean. But once you get close, that white foam, it doesn't look nice. Apparently that foam is caused due to the pesticide and it use it to irrigate the cotton field. But yeah, we are here now. I guess in about 20 minutes we will heading up to the yurta, and then we're gonna have dinner there, and tomorrow we're gonna come back to Khiva. It's gonna be another journey, quite full, but now I think it's over. We're gonna enjoy a little bit of silence, far away from everybody. We are entering, I'm actually inside the yurta. Tonight we're gonna spend a night over here. We have a room it's for 4 people, but will be 2 of us. The other 2 guys, they're gonna sleep in another one. Looks pretty amazing. The weather is okay right now, but I guess the temperature is gonna be down tonight. So far so good. We just finished to visit the Aral Sea, and now we're gonna settle down here and I don't know, we're gonna have dinner, I guess. Good morning from the Aral Lake over there. It's around 6:10, I guess, a.m. We got up for sunrise, and our day is starting now. In about like an hour we're gonna go and have breakfast, we're packing up, and then we start slowly our return to Khiva. It will take around 8-9 hours, I guess, hopefully. But yeah, that's what's gonna happen today. This is the second day of our tour. So far so good. We had a good time last night, watching the stars, and it was fun. Now I'm gonna finish to do my time lapse and then breakfast. Sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. It's early. I was sleeping so well. See you later. And I think it's over from the Aral Sea. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please put your thumbs up, subscribe. That is really helpful for me. However, next step will be in Bokhara. See you there. Ciao.